Hello everyone and welcome back to Something of Everything. In this video we will teach you how to insert custom text in a view. The text can serve as comments or titles to pictures and result diagrams. The added text can be plotted too. You can add the text and tag the pictures to use them in the reports. To add the text, you have to go to Utilities, in the Display group, press Insert Text. Or you can search it directly from the toolbox. Insert text. As you can see, this can be directly get from here, and just press anywhere in the window where you want the text to be. It is opening an window where you can write the text. Say 3D view. You can change the font as you wish and the size of the text. Press OK, and as you can see, 3D view text has come. Let us just say beam. Press OK. Wherever you go, you must remember that you should not deviate from the view once you have added the text. As you can see, let us press escape to get the beam cursor. When I press and hold the mouse wheel button, it gives me the pan option, but the text will not move with the pan. Remember that. To move the text, you have to go to select and select text option. Select the text and move it the way you want. As you can see, double clicking with selection text cursor will open the text window again. You can select the text and press delete to delete the text. This way you can add the text, you can delete the text, and you can move the text in the window. Make use of it to make your reports more informative. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. Thank you.